Alright, we're going to do an unboxing. We got the Apple wireless keyboard. I'll be connecting that to the iPad and also my MacBook. Nice package as always. There we go. Get rid of all the plastic wrap. Alright, documentation. No CD drivers, I'm assuming. Just Bluetooth. Alright. As always, very nice product. Extremely thin, extremely thin. My smartphone, my Nexus 1, much thinner. Shut that off. Alright. Alright, very nice. Smooth, very light. Nice colors, glossy finish, like a brushed aluminum. And over here, the power button seems to have a there we go, clear film. On this side, battery compartment, 2 AA's, that side as well has a film, and that is the keyboard. Alright, so now we are going to connect our Apple wireless keyboard to the iPad. Alright, power button. Not sure if you can see, we have a blinking green LED. It's flashing repeatedly, or rapidly, should I say. Alright, turn on the iPad. Take ourselves to settings. From here, general, Bluetooth is on, keyboard. Would you like to pair a keyboard with your iPad? Enter the passkey 750902 on the keyboard, followed by the return key. Alright. 750902. Enter. And we are connected. Alright. And to test this out, make our way to notes. And we will type. And there we have it. The keyboard is working. We're out. We'll try the Safari. And we are into Apple's website. And there you have it.